Okay, we're on page 180 here, and going through more. The area of a rectangular deck in square meters is given by the polynomial 40p squared plus 24p. The deck is 8p meters wide. So if we draw out a beautiful rectangle here, we know that the area is that. And we know to get that by doing length times width. It says it's 8p meters wide. We know that it's a rectangle, so they're the same on either side, but that's 8p. So if we know the area is length times width, and we want to know the length will be equal to the area divided by the width. We can know that because we can divide by the width to cancel out here, and what we do on the right side, we must do on the left. So if we have our length, which is equal to our area over our width, the area was this, and the width was 8p. So this is the width, and this is the area right there. So we need to divide these two. So I'm going to remember to split this up into two fractions, two divisions, so that I don't forget to cancel out each one independently. So we'll look at the number parts for each. On the first one, we've got 40 over 8, and 40 over 8 is 5. We'll look at the numbers over here. 24 over 8. 24 over 8 is 3. And we'll look at the letter part. P squared over p. That's p to the, 2 minus 1, which is just p. Because we have p squared on the top and p on the bottom. One of them cancels out. We're left with just 1. And over here, p over p, they cancel out. So our length of the deck should be the quotient when we divide those two, which is 5p plus 3. That 5p plus 3, we can re-multiply back out by 8p to make sure we get 40p squared plus 24p. I invite you to do that. I think that's a good idea. Next, determine the length, width, and area of the deck when p is 4 meters. So we say the length is 5p plus 3. We say the width was 8p, and they told us the area was 40p squared plus 24p. So these are our three things they've asked us to do. They say what happens when we have p is equal to 4. So wherever p is, I'll replace it with a 4. So this is 5. Replace that p with a 4. It's 20 plus 3, which is 23. Our length should be 23. And that's meters. They tell us meters. Our width should be 8 times p, which is 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. That should be our width. The area should be 40p squared, which is 4 squared, plus 24p, which is, again, 4. 4 squared is 16. Oh, that's 40. It's 24 times 4. 40 times 16 is 640. And 24 times 4 is 96. And if we add those together, we should get 736. And here we were multiplying meters by meters. Things got a little bit messy, but it's going to be 736 square meters, I hope. Okay. So 23, 32, and 736 in meters, meters, and square meters. Now, I'm just going to check on how long this video has been going before I determine what else we want to do. Okay, so for simplifying these polynomials, I'm going to add those into the next video. Stop here.